proactive coil cleaning cuts energy waste and keeps your home comfortable. Coil cleaning reduces energy consumption by restoring proper heat transfer so the system does not work harder than necessary. Explain that a dirty coil acts like an insulating blanket that forces compressors and fans to run longer, which directly increases monthly bills. Describe the simple process technicians follow. Inspect coil condition, shut power, remove debris and surface grime with a soft brush and low-pressure water rinses, and apply coil cleaner if oily residues remain. Then test system pressures and temperatures to confirm improved airflow and cooling performance. Recommend a schedule based on environment. For typical suburban homes every 12 months. For dusty or coastal environments every 6 months. And after major indoor projects such as remodeling. Explain why frequency matters by linking dirt accumulation to reduced airflow and higher head pressures. Offer a quick homeowner check they can do. Look at the outdoor unit for visible debris, place a hand near a supply vent to feel stronger airflow after a proper clean, and track energy usage for a month before and after service to quantify savings. Emphasize that a thorough clean also reduces condenser and evaporator corrosion when combined with appropriate protective treatments, which helps extend the unit lifespan and reduces the chance of mid-season failures. Finally, advise choosing a technician who demonstrates measurement before and after work, such as documenting suction and discharge temperatures or airflow estimates, because numbers make the benefit tangible. Common mistakes include using high-pressure water that bends fins and reduces coil efficiency and life. The fix is to always use low-pressure rinsing and fin combing when needed. Another issue is cleaning only one coil or one side of the system, which leaves imbalanced performance and recurring problems. The remedy is to clean both outdoor condenser and indoor evaporator coils when accessible. A third concern is neglecting to verify improvements after cleaning, which leaves customers unsure of value. Insist on baseline and post-service checks and keep a simple record of temperatures and energy use so you can see the impact. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find work by providing a searchable marketplace aligned with home service needs. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange experiences, ask questions, and share practical tips about maintenance like coil cleaning.